We are so obsessed with the finished product that we've become terrified of the beginning. You look at experts on your feed and forget that they once had a day one too. You want the successful business, the perfect fitness routine, or the beautiful art piece, but you don't want the messy, awkward phase that is required to get there. So, you stay paralyzed. But there is a profound beauty in starting small. Being a beginner requires massive courage. It means you are willing to make mistakes, to look clumsy, and to fail in private so you can eventually succeed in public. A messy 5-minute workout is better than a perfect 0-minute workout. A terrible first draft is better than a blank page. Progress will always beat perfection. Stop putting so much pressure on the outcome and start falling in love with the simple bravery of trying. Four truths for anyone starting something new. Lower the bar to build the habit. When starting a new lifestyle shift or project, don't try to master it in a week. Doing something badly for 10 minutes every day builds consistency. Consistency creates momentum, and momentum creates confidence. Action comes first, quality comes later. Expect the awkward phase. Your first video will be cringy. Your first painting will look off. Your first attempt at a new habit will feel unnatural. This isn't a sign that you lack talent, it's just the tax you pay to learn something new. Embrace the cringe. Compare yourself to day 0, not their day 1000. Comparing your rough draft to someone else's curated highlight reel is a trap. The only metric that matters is whether you are one step ahead of the version of you that didn't start at all. Give yourself permission to pivot. Starting small allows you to test the waters without heavy consequences. If you realize 3 weeks in that you don't actually like a hobby, it's not a failure, it's data. You are allowed to explore, change your mind, and grow at your own pace. What is one new thing you've been putting off starting because you're waiting for the perfect time? Let's declare it and start small today. Save this to your collection for the days you feel discouraged by how far you still have to go.